Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with WASD keys on your laptop or PC. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly in Notepad, I will type the keys from my laptop device and as you can see it works perfectly. But sometimes the WASD keys might be swapped with your arrow key in Windows 11 or 10 device. So to fix that, simply click Fn key and W all together and you will be able to fix the issue. In order to find the Fn key in your keyboard, simply look in between Ctrl and Windows key. After that, click that key and W all together and then you're good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with your WASD keys. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.